In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a timetable on Notion in 2025, step by step, using a simple database and calendar view that anyone can follow. This is perfect if you're a student, creator, freelancer, or professional who wants to visually plan tasks, sessions, or deadlines in one clean system. By the end of this video, you'll have a working timetable that updates automatically. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your timetable to live. This can be a brand new page or an existing workspace where you already organize your projects. Once you're there, create or open a table or database. This database will act as the foundation of your timetable. Next, add a relevant title to your database entries. These titles represent the tasks, events, or sessions you want to schedule, such as launch prep, strategy session, content batching, or client review. After that, start adding relevant data into the table by filling out rows for each activity you want in your timetable. Now give your database a clear name at the top so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to reuse it across multiple pages. Once that's done, move to the first column of your database and click on the property name. From the drop-down menu, click on Change Type. This step is very important because your timetable depends on date-based entries. If the property is not already set to a date, select Date from the list. Now you can begin assigning dates to each task. Click into the date field for your first item and add a launch date. For this example, select January 31st, 2026. Then move on to the next task, such as a strategy session, and assign a date like February 10th, 2026. Continue this process for each item in your database. For content batching, choose a date such as February 19th, 2026. For client review, select February 26, 2026. At this point, you've successfully created a date-based structure for your timetable. Now comes the visual part that makes Notion so powerful. Look to the left side of your database and click on the plus icon to add a new view. From the view options, select Calendar View. When prompted, click on Link to Existing Data Source and choose the same database you just created. Once you do this, your timetable instantly transforms into a calendar layout showing all your tasks on their assigned dates. You can drag items between dates, click into them to edit details, and visually see your schedule at a glance. This makes planning and adjusting your timetable incredibly easy. And just like that, you've successfully created a timetable on Notion in 2025 using a clean and flexible system. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.